Welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we will be discussing how to analyze and interpret your content marketing data to understand the performance of your content marketing efforts and identify opportunities for improvement. But first, what is content marketing data analysis? Analyzing and interpreting content marketing data involves reviewing and evaluating your content marketing metrics to understand the performance of your content marketing efforts and identify opportunities for improvement. Data analysis can help you to understand which content is performing well, which channels are most effective in driving traffic and engagement, and which tactics are most effective. But what is the importance of analyzing and interpreting your content marketing data? Whether you're just starting out with content marketing or you're a seasoned pro, data analysis is a crucial part of ensuring your content marketing efforts are successful. Number 1. Understanding the performance of your content marketing efforts. By analyzing and interpreting your data, you can get a clear picture of which content is performing well and which is not. This helps you to optimize your content marketing strategy and allocate resources more effectively. Number 2, identifying trends and patterns. By analyzing your data over time, you can see patterns and trends that can inform your content marketing strategy and tactics. For example, if you notice that a certain type of content or channel is consistently driving higher engagement, you may want to focus more of your efforts in that area. And finally, number 3, use data to inform your strategy and tactics. By understanding the performance of your content marketing efforts, you can use your data to inform your content marketing strategy and tactics. For example, if you identify a trend of high engagement with visual content, you may want to create more visual content as part of your strategy. So, how do we actually analyze and interpret our content marketing data? Let's take a look at the 5 key steps. Step 1. Review your content marketing metrics on a regular basis. To get a clear picture of the performance of your content marketing efforts, you need to review your metrics regularly, such as website traffic, engagement, and conversions. This will allow you to identify trends and patterns in your data and understand which content is performing well and which may need optimization. Step 2. Use data visualization tools. Data visualization tools, like graph charts and dashboards, make it easier to understand and interpret your content marketing data. These tools help you to see your data in a way that is easy to understand and make it easier to identify trends and patterns. Step 3. Identify trends and patterns. Look for trends and patterns in your data that can inform your content marketing strategy and tactics. For example, if you notice that a certain type of content or channel is consistently driving higher engagement, you may want to focus more of your efforts on that area. Step 4. Use data to inform your strategy and tactics. With the insights you gain from analyzing your data, you can make informed decisions about your content marketing strategy and tactics. For example, if you identify a trend of high engagement with visual content, you may want to create more visual content as part of your strategy. Step 5. Use segmentation to break down your data. By breaking down your data into segments, such as traffic source, content type, or audience demographics, you can better understand which content is performing well and which may need optimization. By following these steps, you can effectively analyze and interpret your content marketing data to understand the performance of your content marketing efforts and identify opportunities for improvement. It's important to regularly review and evaluate your content marketing metrics to ensure that you are maximizing the effectiveness of your content marketing efforts. Now, let's talk about the tools you can use to visualize and present your content marketing data. There are a few key options to consider. Data visualization tools There are many tools available that can help you to visualize and present your content marketing data, such as Excel, Tableau, and Google Analytics. Infographic tools like Canva or Pictochart can help you to create visually appealing infographics that communicate your content marketing data in an easy-to-understand format. Presentation tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides can help you to create professional quality presentations that communicate your content marketing data to your team or stakeholders. In conclusion, analyzing and interpreting your content marketing data is an important aspect of a successful content marketing strategy. By regularly reviewing and evaluating your content marketing metrics, you can understand the performance of your content marketing efforts, identify trends and patterns, and use data to inform your content marketing strategy and tactics. By using data visualization tools, you can present your content marketing data in a clear and compelling way to your team or stakeholders.